we've made development faster and easier with the new Parker Motion Manager software. PMM is the software development kit for the 7000 and IPA. It includes easy-to-use configuration wizard, set your axes for the motor or drives, set up scaling, and configure your limits. We've improved PMM greatly with many long-desired ease-of-use features. Defining which direction is positive is just a checkbox in the config wizard. Servo Tuner wizard has been added. That's already set up for the channels and has a motion calculator to input distance and time, and calculates move setting, saving you time calculating your motion profiles. In the config wizard, we've added Parker precision stages, actuators, and gearheads, allowing faster setup. We made the graphing tools more powerful for the oscilloscope and strip chart with auto scaling and added the ability to graph bits. We've added product-specific status panels for the single-axis IPA, the 7000 servo, and the stepper and controller to give you the most important information all on one screen. One file saving instead of a folder structure in ACR view. This makes it easier to back up and share your project. For programmers, we've added 4 new watch lists that are stored in your project, 20 items each, and are saved in the project, so you pick up where you left off. So if you've 10 different parameters, you don't need to toggle through different pull downs in the numeric or bit status panels, so you can develop and debug your code faster. Smart Editor changes font colors based on blue as commands, green as comments, red as strings, making it easier to read large programs. The program editor now has sample programs fully commented for users to learn from or use and modify for their own applications. In the help, we've added links to the new ACR Programmer's Guide, which was rewritten by the applications engineering team. We've also added a link to online sample programs with even more samples up to date, and link to online series of training videos to learn where you are anytime you need. All these improvements will help you get your machine up and running faster and easier.